Welcome to a new video in the channel. Today I'll show you how to boost your Minecraft gameplay without using OptiFine, as OptiFine sometimes has compatibility issues and visual glitches, so this may be the solution to your problem. First, what we want to do is download Fabric that will allow us to mod Minecraft. In my case, I have to download the Universal Installer or the jar file because I am using Mac. This will also happen on Linux users, but if you are using Windows, you can download the X file. So I'm just gonna download the jar file, and I'm gonna warn you, if you are going to download the jar file, you will need Java 8 installed in your computer. There are many tutorials on the internet that could help you with that. It is really simple. Now we're going to download the Fabric API that will do a lot of technical stuff with compatibility and many mods. Next up, we download Hydrogen that optimizes the memory RAM usage of our gameplay, as it says here, usually reducing 22% of this usage. Now we download Lithium that is a general optimizer for the game, and Phosphor that is a lighting engine optimization mod, making it run smoother and more efficiently. Next up, we are going to download Sodium, that it is the main optimizer and visual editor of our mods. Why on GitHub, you may ask? It is because we need a beta version of this mod to be compatibility with connected textures. So you go to the part here that says Actions and download the latest one that will always be in the top. You can also see the date it was uploaded on. And you're going to download here Build Artifact. Just click on it. If you can't click on it, it is because you don't have a GitHub account. You will have to create one with Google or an email so you can download it. Next up, we want to download Sodium Extra, which is sort of a plugin for our previous mod that will allow you to change a lot of more visual effects. Next up, we have Krypton, that is another general optimizer for Minecraft. We also have to download Didium that will give us more compatibility with the connected textures. It is really complex to get connected textures without OptiFine, but this will be your solution. Now we want to download Dynamic FPS, that is just a smoother way of transitioning between FPS peaks. For example, instead of going from 60 to 30 to 128 in 3 seconds, it is a smooth curve. Next up, we've got Enhanced Block Entities, that it will reduce lag and optimize the way the game renders block entities such as chests or shulkers. Now we've got Smooth Boot that, as the name suggests, makes the booting the game smoother and faster without consuming so much CPU. Next up, we don't have an optimizer, but a dynamic lighting engine that will replace the dynamic lighting that OptiFine has. It is really good and offers almost everything that OptiFine gives you. Now we've got a connected textures mod that will allow us to have connected textures. Next up, we've got another connected textures mod, but the page of this mod in CourseForge and ModRead is outdated. It only goes up to 1.16.2 that isn't compatible with 1.16.5. So this mega page gives you the 1.16.5 version. Trust me, this is a legit mod. It is not virus or malware. It is safe to download. And finally, we have a connected textures texture pack, because the mod that we downloaded before, it does not change the way that blocks look. You have to use a texture pack for this. There are many texture packs that give you connected textures, but I really like this mod because it is very similar to what OptiFine gives you. Now that we have downloaded all our mods, what we want to do is go to the Fabric installer and just double click it. After some time, a Java window should appear, so let's just wait for that. Now that it's open, you may want to change the loaded version to the latest version. And the Minecraft version, I mean, you are installing it for 1.16.5, so don't change this. If you're installing it for snapshots, be sure that the mods are the snapshot version, and you shouldn't really change this. And you should have Create Profile activated and just click on Install. As you can see here, Fabric Loader was successfully installed, so now it is time to install the mods themselves. What you will want to do is locate your mods folder inside Minecraft. In my case, that is Mac, it is located in the hard drive users, well, your user, library, application support, and Minecraft, and then find mods. Okay, so you want to drag and drop every mod except the fabric installer. Okay, but you will say the build artifacts that we downloaded, that was sodium, is in a zip file. What should I do? Well, you just got to unzip it, and inside you will find 4 jar files. You want to put the jar file that doesn't say dev or sources into your mods folder, like Sodium Fabric, Minecraft version, the version of Sodium, and then the build number. Like nothing about sources or dash developer. So just put it in there. Very well, now the only thing that we have left is test it out in Minecraft. When you open your launcher, you will find that the version is automatically selected, and if not, just go to installations and find it here. Okay, now just click on play. A security message may pop up saying that it is not authorized by Mojang, but just click I understand the risk and don't warn me again, because this is completely safe. It just says that because it's a third-party modding installation. Now that Minecraft is open, go to Options, Resource Packs, and click Open Pack Folder. This will open the directory where you can drag and drop your resource packs. In our case, we just drag and drop our connected textures resource pack. It should appear here in Minecraft, so just click on here and click on Done. It will take some time to load, but when it has finished, the connected textures will have been successfully installed in your Minecraft. Now it's time to create a world and test this out. But before that, go to Options, Video Settings, and as we can see, we have a whole array of different settings that we can toggle, including fog, render distance, etc. So now let's create a single player world and test it out. And as we can see here, it has worked. We have smooth FPS, we have connected textures including glass panes, and we have dynamic lighting with torches, glowstone, lanterns, and all sorts of other blocks. It may show more FPS to you because I usually limit it to 60 as my monitor only can handle 60, but if you have a 128Hz monitor or a 256, you may be able to see more FPS. This was the video, follow for more tutorials, and I hope you enjoyed.